Why didn't Stephen like bird watching? Because he thought it was a waste of time. 2. Why did Stephen become interested in bird watching? Because Laura showed him how to keep a bird diary. She showed him pictures of the birds in her bird book. She gave him a list of birds to look for. 3. Why did Stephen go to the university? And what happened there? Stephen went to the university to tell Laura about the kingfisher bird. He crashed into an old man carrying some books. 4. What did Stephen notice? Stephen noticed titles birds of East Africa and rare African birds. 5. What did Stephen discover when he went back home? He discovered that he took the old man's notebook instead of his. 6. Whose notebook did Stephen take by mistake? Stephen took Dr. James Clark's notebook. Who was Dr. James Clark? He was a famous ornithologist. He wrote lots of books about birds. He gave lectures at the university as well. 8. What did Stephen find in the old man's notebook? He found maps, diagrams and a wonderful drawing of a bird. 9. What are the superstitions about the sunbird? When you find a sunbird feather, keep it safe to bring you good luck. If a sunbird flies over the roof of your house, you will become rich. If you kill a sunbird, no food will grow on your land for 7 years. 10. Why did Laura want to go to Kenya? She wanted to go to Kenya to look for the sunbird. B. Complete the following sentences. 1. Stephen thought that bird watching was a waste of time. 2. Laura was a student of the university. Laura showed Stephen how to keep a bird diary and gave him a list of birds to look for. 4. Stephen went to the university to tell Laura about the kingfisher bird. 5. Stephen crashed into an old man carrying some books. 6. Stephen took the old man's notebook by mistake. 7. The old notebook belonged to Dr. James Clark. 8. Dr. James Clark is a famous ornithologist at the university. Inside the old notebook there were maps, diagrams and a drawing of a sunbird. 10. The sunbird lives in Nairobi in Kenya. 11. Kenya is in East Africa. 12. A sunbird feather brings you good luck. 13. You will become rich if a sunbird flies over your house. 14. Never kill a sunbird because no food will grow on your land for 7 years. 15. Laura wants to go to Africa and look for the sunbird.